Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add a text box to a Google slide. So you have your Google slide and you want to add some text that helps explain an idea or a concept or an image, and you click on Insert. The second option is Text Box, and nothing really appears. You have to decide where you're going to put this thing. So move your cursor where you want it, and then a text box appears. You can double click inside the text box and then start typing. You can resize this, so if I'm not going to type a lot, I can make this text box a lot smaller. That might help with alignment purposes. Or if I'm writing something a little bit more substantial, like an entire sentence or a paragraph, I might play with the width of this text box if it needs to stretch further along the slide, fit in a specific kind of space. You might have to adjust the font. If you select the font inside that text box, then you can change the font in there or its size. So once you have text in that text box, you can pretty much edit it like you would any other text.